You lead, Jonathan.
Whoop. A wreck there. Come on, Johnny. Jonathan, come on. Okay.
Go, Jesse.
Come on, Jesse.
Come on, Jess. Come on.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You get in that act too, honey. All right, now you get up there too. You want to get a picture too. Right up there. Right up there, Allison. Come on.
You have to.
Come on, you got to. Come on, get the little foot up there. Come on, I'll get a picture of you. Look over there, would you? Get that. Hey, Allison, come on, ride your bike. Hey, don't bump that, my little sweetie pie.
Allison, get going. That's all I have to do it again.
Come on and ride that little bike. I want to see you ride that little bike.
Jonathan, right over to where my mom is.
Right over there, Jonathan. Come on now, Allison. Come on, sweetie. Come on. Don't sit there and pout. Come on. Pout.
Okay.
Hey, Allison.
Hey, what's your man?
Ride your bike over there. Take your picture. Don't you want to see yourself in that picture?
Got a mouth stuck out like this.
Allison, do you think you're not... Allison, don't you want to go over there and back?
Allison's in the picture already.
Yeah. Oh, no, she's
Allison.
in the picture.
Wave.
Look, wave. Look at that little Allison.
Hi. Smile.
Wave.
Okay. Want me to zoom in on you, Allison?
Yeah.
Wave.
Huh?
Look
Give
at
a
that,
big
look
smile.
Look at that grin on Jesse Michael's face.
Give me a big smile.
Pretend you're a movie star.
Oh,
yeah.
Allison, get going.
What kind of look is that?
Huh? Can you do that again? Can you smile real big?
Real big smile. Blinking.
This is not her day.
Look at that. Look at that look on Jesse Mike's. All
All
right,
right,
kids.
okay, Allison, you want to go home?
No, she don't want to go home. She wants to ride that tricycle.
Just ride your bike.
Smiling a little bit.
Come
Ride
on.
your bike over to those
Come
cars,
up
Allison.
here, Allison, with me. Come over here. Ride your bike up here, honey. Ride your bike up here. That's it. That's it.
There we go.
That's it.
Yay!
Hey, come on, Allison.
Go, Allison. Race Jesse.
Here's Jesse.
Uh-oh.
Here comes Jesse Michael. Look at little Allison go. Look at Allison there. Look at her.
I didn't want to.
Well, that's the reason I wanted to catch this here. But it said, I hope it doesn't. Fran, let's see. Mary might be jealous. Well, Dorothy Boyd, I don't think she'd be jealous of. Well, that doesn't bother Whoop, whoop, whoop. There goes another wreck.
Peggy, wave.
Yeah.
Don't get me.
Yeah. All right, then. I'll call you Kimbo if you don't. Whoop! Collision. Collision. Here he comes. Here he comes. God damn, he comes out from the side.
Why?
He rode right in. He rode right in behind there. Just as I should have brought my walking cap. All heads was cold. Rick. That's all right. Peggy, just wave to Rick. Wave. There she is. Okay, kid. Okay. I'm a running.
Candy?
Huh?
You got candy?
Did I get candy? No, I shouldn't. I picked it up somewhere.
I take them off the last minute.
Sharon's calling me Mike.
Ryan, I'm gonna go back in. No, go back in.
Going to the Easter egg hunt.
Uh-oh. They go I didn't know. You find a lot of kids not playing football. They couldn't.
Hey, guy, look around. Rick may want to get a picture of you. Hey, guy, look at Rick there, shooting the picture.
Cheers.
Okay.
Oh, she's slobbering all over it. Look at her. Look at her.
Kim! I want to take a movie.
Is that sound on there? Professional, Rick. Now, Mike, you can take that right in and put it on the recorder.
No.
But does the sound work on that?
Sure does.
Do we get to see it before?
Me. You have to develop that before you can play it. We see it tonight.
You can take it right inside and do it.
I can show it to you right now.
There's Mama. Look.
You gave her a quick look at a high school.
Yes,